What if I told you there's a simple, proven strategy that some of the world's wealthiest people have been using for decades? And what if you could use that exact same strategy to build your own future? Well, today we're going to break down exactly how to do that.
So let me ask you this. Could you turn $10,000 into an amount of money that would genuinely change your life? We're not just talking about numbers on a screen here. We're talking about your future, your freedom. If you're ready to see how a single smart move could get you there, then you are in exactly the right place.
Welcome to the Financial Exit. Let's be real for a second. Investing can feel totally overwhelming, right? You've got thousands of stocks, funds, and strategies all screaming for your attention. It's so easy to get hit with analysis paralysis. Just frozen, worried you're going to make the wrong move. But what if there was a simpler way? A path that's both super low cost and has a track record that speaks for itself? Well, that's exactly where index funds come in. Okay, so let's get right into the good stuff. We've done the heavy lifting and narrowed it all down to 3 absolute top contenders from Fidelity, one of the biggest and most respected names in the game. These are not random picks, believe me. These are powerhouse funds, and each one has its own special sauce. We're about to break down exactly what they can do for you.
First up, we've got the Fidelity 500 Index Fund, ticker symbol FXAIX. Now, think of this like buying a tiny slice of the 500 biggest, most successful companies in the US. We're talking about the titans you know and use every single day. Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, you name it. You're not just betting on one company, you're investing in the entire American economy. And the best part? The cost is just ridiculously low. At 0.015%, you're paying $1.50 a year for every $10,000 you invest. That's less than a fancy cup of coffee.
So, what does that super low cost and solid performance actually mean for your 10 grand? Well, hang on, because this is where it gets exciting. Based on historical returns, that first investment could balloon to over $37,000 in just 10 years. Give it 20 years, and you could be looking at $137,000, and after 30 years, you could be sitting on over $500,000. That, my friends, is the magic of compounding at work.
All right, next up is the Fidelity Total Market Index Fund, or FSKAX. If that first fund was like owning all the all-stars, this one is like owning the entire league. You get a piece of over 3,800 companies, from the biggest giants all the way down to the smaller, scrappy businesses with tons of growth potential. This is what we call the ultimate diversification. And you get all of that for the same tiny price tag, 0.015%. And check this out, the growth potential is just as mind-blowing. As you can see, the numbers are right there with the S&P 500 fund. That same $10,000 could still be knocking on the door of $500,000 in 30 years. It's just another amazing option for building long-term wealth by owning a piece of everything.
Okay, now for our last one. And this one is a total game changer. It's the Fidelity Zero Large Cap Index Fund, FNILX. Now look closely at that expense ratio. No, that's not a typo. It is 0%. Zilch, nada. You keep 100% of your returns. Fidelity basically uses these as a way to bring new people in, and it is fantastic for us investors. You get all the big names, just like in the S&P 500 fund, but you pay absolutely nothing for it.
Now, you might be thinking, what's the catch?
Well, this fund is a bit newer, so we don't have a 30-year track record. But its performance has been right in line with the others. I mean, look at that 10-year projection. It's almost identical. If it just keeps doing what it's doing, you're looking at the same incredible growth, but with zero management fees chipping away at your money. It's just an amazing deal.
So, we've been throwing around some pretty huge numbers, but it's really important to understand how this happens. It's not magic, I promise. It's the result of one of the most powerful forces in finance, compounding. This is the secret sauce.
In fact, this force is so powerful that Albert Einstein himself is said to have called it the 8th wonder of the world. And once you see how it works, you'll totally get why.
So, what on earth is compounding? It's really simple. It's just your money making money. Think of it like a snowball rolling down a hill. You start with 10 grand, and it earns 10%. Cool, now you have 11,000. But next year, you earn 10% on that 11,000, not just your original 10. So the amount of money you earn gets bigger and bigger every single year. It just accelerates.
And this right here shows why time is your absolute best friend in investing. The key to unlocking all this growth is just giving it time to do its thing. Look at these jumps. After 10 years, your money more than triples. But after 20, it doesn't just double that, it triples again. And that growth in the last decade is just explosive. It's incredible.
Now there's one more piece to this puzzle. It's called reinvesting your dividends. See, when these companies make a profit, they share some of it with you. You can take that cash or, and this is the smart move, you can have it automatically buy you more shares. Think of it like pouring gasoline on the compounding fire. Over the last 50 years, this one simple trick has accounted for over 40% of the S&P 500's total return. It's a huge deal.
Okay, so we've got the funds, we understand the strategy, but there's one more piece that might just be the most important of them all, and that's your mindset. Because let's face it, the stock market is a roller coaster.
There are going to be ups, and there are definitely going to be downs. And in those down moments, your mindset is everything. The successful investor isn't the genius who tries to time the market, buying low and selling high. Trust me, that's a fool's errand. The truly successful investor is the one who just stays the course. They have the discipline to keep going even when it's scary, because they know that over the long run, the market has always found its way back up.
And you know what? This is where index funds are so brilliant. They are an amazing tool for taking all that gut-wrenching emotion out of the equation. You're not trying to find the next hidden gem stock. You're just buying the whole market and holding on for the ride. It takes patience, for sure. But if you can nail that mindset, the rewards are absolutely worth it.
So there you have it. We've looked at a simple, low-cost, and powerful strategy that can build incredible wealth over time. Now, it's your turn.
We've seen the power of compounding. We've seen why reinvesting dividends is so important. And we've talked about the mindset you need to succeed. Whether you go with the classic FXAIX, the super diversified FSKAX, or that revolutionary zero-fee FNILX, you are putting your money to work in a smart, proven way. The path is right here in front of you. The choice is yours.
So what are you going to do now? Are you going to take this information and actually put it into action? I want you to think about that for a second. What will your financial exit look like? Hey, if you got some real value from this breakdown today, do me a huge favor and hit that like button. And make sure you subscribe to The Financial Exit so you don't miss what's coming next. And I'd love to know which of these 3 funds caught your eye the most. Drop a comment below and let me know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.